How to remove a password from Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps to remove a password from your Windows 11 account. Whether you're tired of typing in your password every time you log in, or you just want to make your computer more accessible, we've got you covered. So let's dive in. Before we start, remember that removing your password means anyone can access your computer. If you're okay with that, let's get started. First, click on the Start menu or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Then, select Settings. In the Settings window, go to Accounts. Now click on Sign In Options. Here you'll see different methods for signing into your computer. Under the Password section, you'll see an option to change your password. Click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your current password. Go ahead and type it in, then click Next. Now to remove your password, simply leave the new password and confirm password fields empty. Click Next. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to remove your password. Click Finish to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully removed your password from Windows 11. Next time you start your computer, it will log you in automatically without asking for a password. That's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Got any questions or need further help? Drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.